Hey y'all, let me tell you about my latest find that has completely elevated my space. These artificial green ball dianthus plants from Amazon. Now, I love fresh flowers, but let's be honest, constantly replacing them does add up. But these, they look so real, they're affordable, and they'll last me much longer than the ones I usually grab at Trader Joe's. Shopping for them online was so easy, and when they arrived, I gave them a quick fluff with my hair dryer, trimmed them down to size, and styled them in a glass vase with seashell fillers, effortless and chic. So if you've been on the fence about artificial plants, let me be the one to say, go for it. The quality is there, the price is there, and the best part, no maintenance. If you love these, keep watching because there's more, and be inspired by these chic ways to style your potted small plants. And just like that, small spaces feel bigger, brighter, and way more stylish. If you love these plant ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out. All the plant inspo I shared is linked in the description, so go check it out, and I'll see you on the next one.